All right, we're trying to evaluate the integral from 1 to 3 of x dx in two different ways. The first way we're going to approach it is finding the area underneath the curve between the curve and the x-axis by sketching a graph. Then we're going to find the antiderivative and do it algebraically. So the first thing is we were looking at the antiderivative of the function y equals x between 1 and 3. So looking at the graph here, it's already been graphed. This red line is the line y equals x. We have x values of 1 and 3, so the shaded region in blue, I guess, is what we're looking at. So the area here, what we can do is split this into a couple pieces, one being a triangle here, and that area is going to be given by what? Area equals 1/2 base times height. So our base would be 2 across, and our height would be 2 across. So in our case, 1/2 times 2 works out to be 2. So we have an area of 2 for this piece. Now the other piece, I'm going to think about it as being this rectangle along the bottom. So the area of a rectangle is given by base times height, or length times width. So we'd say 2 across the bottom, 1 high, so 2 times 1 makes an area of 2 for this region. If we add those together, we can say in part A, or part I guess we've called this one, that this integral can be the area of 2 plus 2, which works out to be 4. All right, but let's use it on the second part. Let's actually find the antiderivative from 1 to 3 of x dx utilizing our rules for finding antiderivatives. Okay, so what we're going to do is go ahead and use the power rule. We had x to the first power. We're going to increase the exponent by 1, so 1 plus 1 makes 2. Then we're going to divide by that new exponent. This has got to be evaluated between 1 and 3. So to do that, what we do is we first plug in the 3, the upper bound, and then we subtract away when we plug in the lower bound. So in our case, this is going to work out to be, we'd square the 3 first, so we get 1/2 times 9 minus 1/2 times 1, or this is really what, 9/2. Treat that 9 as though it's in the numerator. Treat that 1 as though it's in the numerator. Minus 1/2 works out to be 8/2, or 4. You'll notice we get to the exact same answer two different ways. So I hope this helps out.